$20,883.08, $6,290.94, and $3,692.83. And this is the amount of money people have made on TikTok's creativity program. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you guys can create videos just like these of viral cat fitness videos that are getting hundreds of thousands and millions of views. If this video was over a minute long, this creator would have gotten a lot of money on TikTok's creativity program. So keep in mind your videos have to be over a minute long. And the reason why I think these videos are going viral is because a lot of people absolutely love cats and they're pretty interesting as well. First, go on ChatGPT and write the following prompt. Write image prompts of a muscular cat working out to create images on another platform. Keep it short and simple. And here are the results. And copy any of the image prompts that ChatGPT created so we can create our image. I chose the first one. Then go on Canva and click on Dream Lab. And then change the size of the picture. We want it 9 by 16. Then paste the image prompt that we created on ChatGPT. Then click on the button where it says Smart. This is where you guys can actually click on any of the image styles that you want to create for your image. We're going to keep it at Smart. Then click on Create. And here are the images. I chose this one. So click on the picture and then click on Edit in Design. Click on the button where it says Image Animate. If you don't have this button, click on the Apps button and then you'll find it there. Then click on the image that you want to convert into a video. And for the AI tool, you can keep it at auto. I clicked on Luma AI. And you can describe your video as well. You can keep this empty. I just wrote make the cat lift the dumbbells. Click on video settings. Keep the video duration to 10 seconds and the number of loops to 6, meaning that the video is going to be a minute long. And then click on generate. And this is how our video looks like. It's a minute long. Now click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, then click on download, then download. Now we're going to go on ChatGPT to find a caption that we can write in our video. You don't have to do this, you can skip this part. I just want people to somewhat relate to this video. So you can write a relatable controversial caption that will cause people to comment on this picture/video. Here are the results. You can always ask ChatGPT to write more. And then copy the one that you like. And then we're going to paste the caption that we created on ChatGPT. I'm going to remove the period and then just add an emoji. And you can position the caption up or in the center. I just kept it in the center. Then choose the sound that you want in the video. I just kept the one TikTok recommended. And then hit post. And thanks for watching!